Hello, in this video, I will be sharing you why most of my installation, especially on the line array system, I never use the Aux Fed Subwoofer method. What is Aux Fed Subwoofer method? So in layman term, we have a separate faders to control our volume of the sub. So if we want the sub going louder, we have this fader to turn up. This is what the most industry people name this method. So some of them are using metric system, some of them are using group or buses to achieve the similar result. I will be sharing you why that I never use this method in my installations. But first, I assume you understand all this phase alignment method, why it's important, and I doesn't need to explain in this video. So let's jump into my smart. Okay, now we are in my smart. Of course, as you can see, there's a data for our full range speaker and our subwoofers. Of course, this is just an example to show you. Okay, we have a full range speakers on the green curve, and then we have a subwoofers on the blue curve. Okay, let me turn off the coherence, and you can see the phase on the top, and you can see it's properly aligned around 83 Hertz. So let's assume we have this Aux Fed or matrix or buses separate fader that we can turn all the way up or turn all the way down. For example, we just want to turn up our volume for the subwoofer. For demonstration purpose, we're gonna go crazy with the increase. Let's say, for example, 20 dB increase. 20 dB increase. And you can see when I increase my volume for subwoofers, my crossover point is changed from 80 Hertz to around 152 Hertz. I hope you can see what's happening now. And you can see the phase. There's a phase difference around 60 to 150, about 90 degree. It's about 90 degree phase shift when we boost the volume up for the subwoofer. So this is why when I install the system for the end user, especially those end user that are not knowledgeable, I will prefer to have a fix between the subwoofer and the full range to ensure that the crossover point remain the same and the whole system is still remain on the properly aligned setup. So this is why most of my installation, I do not prefer to use the Aux Fed or matrix or the group or the buses to control the subwoofer's volume. So hope this will help you to enlighten some of the knowledge, and I will see you again. Bye bye.